Today we are going to see how to start blogging, and for this we use Blogger, which is from Google itself. By blogging you can make money in many ways, like writing and promoting Amazon affiliate products or any affiliate programs. So let's get started with today's video. First, go to Google and search ChatGPT to generate content, because we are going to start our journey with AI. If you don't know how to sign up in ChatGPT, then watch the video by clicking the eye icon in the upper corner. Go to ChatGPT and generate your article. I am going to write articles on historical events, so I will search to write 20 historical events. It will start writing 20 historical events. Now pick one event and ask ChatGPT to write about it. I will write about World War I. Ask Chat to write the full details about World War I in more than 2,000 words, and it will start writing about it. Here it is writing how World War I started and what the reasons were. Now we have our script. Now we have to write the blog on Blogger. Search Blogger on Google and click on Sign In. After that, just enter your email and password and sign in. Since I already have an account in Blogger, so it is here. Now click on Themes to get a theme. Here are a lot of themes. Choose any one of them, which one you like, and select that. After that, go to Layout, so edit your information. And make it as per you like, how you want to view your blogging page to people. Now click on View Blog to see how your blog will appear to people when they visit your blog. And here is how our blog is going to look. Now go to the new post and here paste the article that we have generated using ChatGPT. But if you copy from ChatGPT and paste it, it will look like this. So to avoid this, we will use MS Word. Simply go to Word and paste the article on it and click on Paste Text Only. Now we will check the article to edit something by ourselves. And now simply copy this and go to Blogger and paste it. Now it is looking good. Now on the title bar, write your title. Our title is World War I. In the end, go to this and click on Upload from Computer and upload the image. Now here our image, set it as you like. Now our blog is all set. Now just bold the headings to make it look better, and if you want to add any affiliate link, then just select the text where you want to add the link and click on this and paste your link, that's all. Here our blog post is ready. Now go to Publish, click Confirm. And here our blog post. Click on View Blog to see how our post is looking. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.